Do you like to make snowmen?
Do you like to make a snowman?
Ne, tebe Maša pitala ti njega.
Yes, but I don't know we have carrots. And it's not snowing, how did you like to make snowman?
I don't know if we have carrots. Carrots?
You don't mean a carrot. You mean an apple. How can a man be without a man? No.
No man needs a snowman, no? But what if a bunny hops by and eats his nose? What are you gonna do there?
Then but you mean an apple.
Apple! That's a good idea, Masha. We can put an apple.
Yes, I see a top is jelly. But I don't think that our apple would last through the winter. You have to buy one apple and give it to a snowman.
You need to buy an apple to put it on a snowman.
Yeah, okay.
If you put the chocolate for his nose, then a daddy will come and hop by and bite it.
Or maybe not.
Oh, not
Oh no, maybe a monster.
Monsters?
That?
Dobro.
There's no
We're
one.
gonna make another conversation. Let's talk about something else. Daniela.
Okay. I have an idea.
Nije boring da ne čujemo ništa zato što Ojki ne radi ovo čuti.
Oh no.
Jedva čujemo Maš.
Oh no, 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 no.
To je stvarno uopšte ne radi.
Dosadno.
A sad, nas čujete sad?
Pa nije nam dosadno, nego ne jedva te čujemo.
Nađa, ma ne radi, mora da pogledam.